Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about how to edit your PDF files without using Adobe app. Surprisingly, you can open your PDF as a Word document in Microsoft Word and then make changes to it. And after you are done editing, you can save back as a PDF file. So here I have a PDF file that I need to fill that out. I'm going to open it up in Word as a Word document. You will see a pop-up message telling you that it might not look exactly like the original PDF. You can just click OK because even though you don't like how it looks, you will still have your original PDF copy. After it opens up, you can easily make changes to it. After you are done editing, you can go up to the menu and then do Save As. And make sure that in Save As type, you select PDF. That's it, you're done. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Until then, we'll see you next time.